Diane in Denmark here. Rah rah rah. I don't have my pom-poms with me, so I'm just going to have to use my fluffy beret and my gloves, but I'm bringing you out on location today. Guess where I am? I am in the centre of the city. I hadn't actually realised that the winter markets, the Christmas markets had started here. And I was going to film on the other side of Nyhavn. This is the harbour right in the centre of the town. Because I thought, I would come here and I'd get a nice quiet spot, maybe take you for a hot chocolate. But as you can see, the Christmas markets are here. It's much busier on the other side. But anyway, just a wee check-in with you today. Wait till I get my hat on because it's starting to rain. And you know what we always say, there's no such thing as bad weather, just the wrong clothing. So it's all right. I've got my brolly with me, got my furry hat. Anyway, a quick check-in with you today. It's going to be a good week. I can feel it in my bones. Last week, I don't know what was going on. It was a challenging week and I felt like the crazy was really strong around me. Lots of weird things happened. But anyway, we're still standing, we're still here. And a lot of it is about attitude. If something happens to us, instead of saying, okay, you're getting knocked down, just remember that you can always dust yourself off, get back up again, and keep moving. Just keep putting one foot in front of the other, and it'll all be okay. I've got quite a few exciting things coming up this week. Guess what? There's going to be another clothes swap. And this time we're going to be at Hygge, so I shall film as much as I can. Also, one of the things that's really been keeping me going, especially during these dark, dreich days, is the sea swimming. And I'll show you a little clip here from the weekend when I was out with my Bluetits group. The water temperature right now is around 9 degrees Celsius, which is about 48 if I remember correctly. And it's always blowing a gale down there where we're kind of exposed to all the elements. And yet when it's really dark and dreich and we're all feeling a bit tired at the end of the week, it just really lifts our spirits. It's that thing of community, but connecting with others. I've got to be really careful that when, especially in the winter like this, I don't need much physical social contact. I'm quite happy on my own devices and checking in with you on Instagram. I love Instagram, that's my little playground. But I actually need that eye contact, that actually physically seeing people in the eye. And I try and schedule it, for once a week. I have my Bluetits group. I also check in with a friend once a week, and I do that on my plan and play time. I'm always talking about plan and play in flylady land, which is Tuesday, so you can make it any day that you like. But actually planning some fun, something to look forward to, instead of feeling isolated. If you can't meet with a friend, maybe you can meet online, do something on Zoom, maybe you can be texting. The main thing is that we're getting some kind of social stimulation. Hold on, I'm just going to put my gloves on now. And I've found for me that works really well. Just once a week, because more than that, I kind of get overstimulated. Because you know me, I get quite carried away with things. Type 1 and dressing your truth. So you might want to think about that this week. If it is like we are at the moment, if it's kind of dreich and dull, and it doesn't kind of get light all day, are you actually planning a bit of fun for you or your family? Doesn't need to be anything big. Maybe you can just plan to go into town and see the lights. We've got the Christmas winter lights up here now. One of the other things that I did at the weekend was getting our winter lights up in the garden. Now, I've mentioned this before. A long time ago, I would get the lights up in the garden quite a few weeks before we're kind of into Christmas season, because I wanted to avoid doing it when it's raining, like to do it, or when it gets really cold. But I've actually realised now our winter lights here in Denmark, our Christmas lights, they're white, so they don't look out of place. In Danish Christmas lights, you're not got the kind of all different colours and the flashy stuff. It's usually white. It's usually quite kind of Hygge and I don't know what to say, classy. But I've decided that from now on I'm switching on our lights in the garden because I like to see it when I'm cleaning up the sink after I've done my evening routine, just looking out and seeing the lights on the deck, and that brings me a little bit of joy. And it doesn't matter if other people haven't got their winter lights up, it's something that I do for me. So I want you to think about that today. Something that you can do for you this week. Maybe you're going out for a cup of hot chocolate, maybe you're going to look at one of the Christmas markets, maybe you're meeting up with a friend, maybe you're putting your Christmas lights up early, maybe you're snuggling in with a really good book. I've got some terrific reads from the library right now. I'm going to get on my way because the rain is starting to get heavy here, but I shall check in with you. I'm always around on Instagram, come and join us there. And all I've got left to say is live long and prosper, may the Danish Hygge be with you, and hopefully it's not raining where you are. And I'll see you very soon with a rap, rap, rap. Okay, bye for now. Oh, I never say no. Thank you. Tom. Cheers. Yeah, free. That's good hot glug.
It's